Hi everyone and welcome to the Masterman YouTube channel. In this video today we're going to be looking at a geometry objective which is calculating the perimeter and area of a composite shape. This video is going to start by defining just what a composite shape is, and then I'm going to demonstrate how to calculate the perimeter and area, and then we're going to work through 3 different examples. So let's first start by talking about what a composite shape is. So a composite shape just means a shape which is made of more than one shape and it's put together. So if I wanted to calculate the area of this shape here, what I'm going to be showing you later is that I'm going to need to break the shape down into 2 shapes. So first, let's take a look at the perimeter. So let's calculate the perimeter of this shape. So to calculate the perimeter, I need to add the length of each side of the shape. Now that's quite easy to do, but there are 2 missing lengths on this, which is making it more difficult for me. So this part here and this part of the shape here does not have a number next to it, so I don't know how many meters they are, but I can work that out because this side of the shape is 8, so that must mean this part, which is the same as this part, must be 1 meter. And I've worked that out because all of this side here is 9, and that must be the same length as all of that bit. So I've discovered that this part is now 1 meter, and this part here must be 6 meters, because if all of this section here is 11, then that must mean all of this section here is also 11. And if this part here is 5, then this part must be 6. So now I've got my missing numbers. Now I can go ahead and make the calculation. So 11 add 9 is 20. Add 8 is 28. Add 6 makes 34. Add 1 makes 35. Add 5 makes 40. So the perimeter of this shape is 40 meters. Okay, now we're going to calculate the area. So the area is everything that's in the middle of the shape. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to do that by separating this into 2 different shapes. So I'm going to put a nice split down the middle, and that's going to give me shape A and shape B. Both of them are rectangles, which is going to make it easy for me. So I know to calculate the area, so I'm going to start with shape A. I know that to calculate the area of a rectangle, I need to calculate the width times the length. So shape A is going to be 9 multiplied by 5. And that's going to be 45 meters, because the measurements are in meters. So now I've calculated the shape, the area of shape A. I'm going to calculate the area of shape B. So this one's a bit more difficult because I have the length. So shape B, I have the length, which is 8 meters, but I don't know the width. Okay. But when I was working out the perimeter, I worked out that the width was 6 meters. So I'm going to do 8 times 6. That's going to give me 48 meters for shape B. Now, all I have to do to find out the area of the whole shape is add the 2 measurements together. So shape B was 48 meters and shape A was 45 meters. So together is going to be 93 meters squared. That is the area of this shape here. Let's just work through one more example. So here I'm going to do the same thing. I've got a choice. I can either choose to separate it like this, or I can choose to separate it like this. So I've chosen to separate it like this because it's easier, because the measurements have already been done for me. So I'm going to calculate A and B. So shape A and shape B. So we're first going to do the area, not the perimeter. We're going to do the area first. So shape A, the area, is going to be 7 times 12. So shape A is going to be 7 times by 12. That's going to be 84. And the measurements are in meters again, so 84 meters. Shape B, so the area of this bit is going to be 5 multiplied by 6. 5 times 6 equals 30 meters. And to work out the total area, we're going to do 84, add 30, and that's going to give us 114 meters squared. Don't forget to put the squared. So now let's calculate the perimeter. So we've done things in the wrong order really, because we should really calculate the perimeter first, but never mind. So we've got just one missing length, well, two missing lengths. We've got this one and we've got this one. So the bottom line must be 7, add 5, which is 12 meters. And then this part here must be 12, take away 6, which is 6 meters. So now I can calculate the whole perimeter, which is going to be 12 add 12 is 24, add 6 makes 30, 35, 41, 48 meters, and that is the perimeter. Thanks again for watching this video. If it was helpful for you, then please like and subscribe to the Mathsman YouTube channel. And if you know anyone else who is learning about the perimeter and area of composite shapes, then why don't you share this video with them? Thanks again for watching, and hopefully I will catch you in the next video.